Okay, so hi everyone, my name is Afner and today we're going to do a question about finding the angle in degrees. So what I mean is radius, diameter, all these stuff. So here's a question we have to do. It's also about importing math, so we have to first import math. This is revision. Okay, then after that what we do is that angle in degrees equals to it, bracket input, bracket quotation marks, enter your angle in degrees. So we can do that, Control C, right? Control V. Then all we have to do next is that. Just find angle and radius. Radius. Okay, after this, all we have to do is, so the angle in degrees, right? So angle in degrees dot radians angle in degrees. What am I doing? Math dot radians angle in degrees. Right. Angle in radius. So if we run the code, right, 23, see? If we write 1. Okay. So let's check. Okay, let's check. So guys, anyway, so this is how the coding works. Let's try it again. So using the math library is easier because using the formula like the radius equals to whatever the formula is, that's longer. But this would be easier. Like if I say this much, okay, if I do it again, let's say 90 degrees. If I say 45 degrees, see, that's how the coding works. So thank you everyone for listening about my video about the math library using radius. I hope you like it and bye.